oye Saturday na ahomachere beche Sunday no osofo boy na abo na was the fresh baby was able to na abo ano nana maame ne the suicide note that aka won de obo read the letter ni pobo wi na chere de wa ye nyamezi
DJ Paco Rich.
Let's say we share from one about all your fancy YouTube na chere nka in the whole day na nka se wa ba na wie but Ghana de biare B0rn na some fufa esi na nkoma wa ba na onye too tasty onye too nice onye too delicious oye asama it's a oma wankasa a bottle aye calm ebi so we dey e baazo na obama obi wire damazon obatani bi akoto na ba fufra lai in the da na won wa akoto na achen oye osofu bi na aboa no na ono na hu nkomo anade ne hu asama wa aba na mezre bro nti en subscribe ya bomoza na subscribe channel na de biara asembisi anade bibi onya bom na chere ya fast na ye de oye details in ye za bro nti asami si wo oye eastern region. Yes, eastern region. Baby wo ho a wo friend ahudwo marampo na mi de ahudwo a ye wane de o ye Kumasi pen wo but sana e ko lower Krobo municipality a owo pon wo eastern region a wo baby wo ho a wo friend ahudwo na mama oni mu details kakra na area na ho nkomo wo ho ne ya atwe nti it reads a freshly born baby was on Saturday dawn July 16th 2023 abandoned at the doorstep of a resident pastor of the New Covenant Apostolic Church at Ahudwo, a suburb of Pong in Lower Menya Krobo municipality in the eastern region. The unidentified mother also dropped a suicide note beside the baby, which reads, "By the time you finish reading this letter, I'll be dead and gone. Please take care of this baby as your own child. I regret doing this, but that is the only way this baby can have a chance to live. Please take care of my baby. God bless you." Na assemblyman owo oyepun ahudwo electoral area na our friend Raymond Basson say Star News. Okay, just Star News today. Mamen up to now won hu nyimpa oyeneba. Wonya Tracy CBS at nyimpa oyeneba but dem ye din common Saturday ahomachen na osofo ofren na okeche no mbahwe. Obi ne ba boto na wada boto asori ne dai na nyim. Ti sofo no kra no hu drew na kakra. De hwana na obowo. No zana ba de babra but in a way no so ye will be no more home part some na adwemboni nti oboku no ho we kwa friend but at least was spare the life of the child. Obi also anya de bi orekwa commit suicide but ebia orugwana keshe baby odze ba ni beja but from time to time obetetaw onyim baby odze ba na aba ne dze menye sure de oruku no ho ibi lie obi an take this word from me menye sure de we kono ho or you lie but in penny pino yen chaba for they need to be very careful. Sex no hu susandu bi wo ho el have sex na nyim de nature asema obeben sex onyagwa and you can choose to do it anyhow ebeye ebezi eboko ebowo ebeye but sanu susandu na ba Yenjina painting because when you were enjoying, you should have had it at the back of your head that you are bringing an innocent baby to this world. According to sources such as a friend, what when no crown when guaren a fuffle friend I will win when guaren when training fuma no wasn't able to soften our bonano. It is a yamia pata, nesse bia bua bia na de. Or softening pay another. You so shabby, I wasn't a quarter no ya brosan. A tredo. Inti se wankwaya lucky ina ise bi a omunum bohwe a we ku obi ne ba we ku a friend inti wamayan ya hweye na se yiridi yen ho a yendi from according to me yendi na according from awo ne ben ihwe ne ntuma fatam chechero ho oya rehosam but emi mo ya medan dey a friend down tase. We give thanks to the Almighty God. That friend tase. Ya bompay do soften on fa friend nyane da naba. What's the name of mommy? In the CCR soft mommy na friend one care or a friend. Ya bompay that friend being in the dachi bi. What kind of story? But Amy Park in mo believe pa de. Nimpo wo another bata no that friend about one. B0rn on we. She's still alive. She's monitoring everything around the child. Onye easy them. Obamunita for so many years. Markets on the wall. In Bribi Baba and Bribi Boswa. Obe unity. Dore Baba Janaba. Obe unity. Dore Baba Shanaba. Now it's about time so Ghana. Yebenya structures are issues be them. They can handle. What kind of social welfare for but how established and how competent are they to take care of these new babies? Sebs on Shenabumpa was now social welfare numpun. Yehunity yehunanan. Inti. One make sure the structures are there. I mean, you may croby or one as an eye. Wobumpen to mansion ye American. The governments can take possession of the child because in them, afani omanaza. Inti penny pins a BBC. They try to carry the children first, followed by women and son while coming forward. Inti this is what happened with Eastern region or yes Saturday now who my church Sunday. A soft boy in Abo was the fresh baby was able to Naboano. Nana mamma the suicide notes that I can Obo read the letter in Pobo Rinache, the wire yamas way kuno. Now, on you without softenable to my share, friendly ye. Into no de bijawan. Ya bompay, then ya man in such a now to minjin and anado. Na Moon kuno, name wanted to non shenaban. After be outside a man say. Nyankopon wansa wo wodo insha wo fa ni shade de bie bi wo wanodo they will never die. Alright, it's it for me the best here we from the park to the rich. First time I hear video in abomodna subscribe na o chene bi so asem fufuru bi ba ha na better and tam nti no ho asamara nyen we from a park to the rich maka one bibi fufuru ba bi o so abohumanyim wo ha. Bye bye.
DJ B0rn.